Prince Institute. Exercise 163. Sir Happy Singh. Ready? Start. The All India Radio educates, informs, and entertains the people through its various programs. It has proper guidelines for presenting all shades of viewpoints. It also presents constructive criticism of the policies and programs of the government. During the mid-term elections to the Lok Sabha, the national political parties were allowed time and the relays were carried over the nation's entire network of the All India Radio. It was the same pattern which the states adopted also. I personally believe that the rural programs broadcast from all the stations cover agriculture, horticulture, sericulture, health and hygiene, nutrition, and family welfare programs are a boon to the brothers and sisters, the youth who dwell in the rural areas, and they can improve their lot through these media by finding out the know-how in connection with the above mentioned subjects. For the children, the youth, and others who live in the cities and the villages, the rural women and the working women in the cities, special programs are broadcast. I suggest that special emphasis should be laid on some vocation oriented programs also, so that certain schemes are explained for self employment and the youth do not run after only the white collar jobs. It may be recalled that the Doordarshan was delinked on the 1st of April 1976. The government has done well in not having set up an autonomous body of the AIR and the Doordarshan, because such an organization is not considered necessary to enable these media to discharge their basic objective of serving the people who are not served by other media. Mass contact with rural India is possible by utilizing TV and also satellite based TV communication channels for the rural areas by having special programs of interest for the farming population of our country. And we should have youth programs for inculcating nationalism. I would like to lay more stress on this because this is probably what we need today. We have to raise the standard of our national character, and that can be done through these media. We should have programs for inculcating nationalism and giving them the right direction to participate in the reconstruction of our nation. And how? By showing them different avenues of service and self employment. There should be a network of TV relay centers all over the major areas through a fuller utilization of P&T microwave communication system. We should go in for frequency modulation type of broadcasting, as it provides high quality and noise free reception over a large dynamic range. It has been introduced on a very small scale. It would be welcome if this is introduced on a much larger scale. It would help the rural and the urban unemployed to take up some industrial schemes which could be covered by the AIR. It is a very powerful mass media, and I think it will be very effective to guide the youth of our country. I believe that side by side with these in the AIR, we can lay stress on the duties which every right entails with it. It should be driven home to the youth, to each one of us, to every citizen in free India, that we have a duty towards the society in which we live. This should be projected through the two media we have. Let our youth know the value of the hard earned independence and how best to preserve it. There should be special programs for it to inculcate in them love for the country and also to give them an idea as to how the independence was won. I also believe that AIR and Doordarshan have a complementary and supplementary part to play. I should also like to suggest that national integration programs should be televised and broadcast. The song and drama division can project the government's view to the people, thus providing entertainment and also bringing home to them our rich cultural heritage and how we have developed unity in diversity. Broadcasting is a powerful aid for development of our nation. So, special efforts are needed to focus attention on the precious values which the nation holds so dear to its heart. We should develop a high standard of dramas, bringing out morals and songs to entertain as well as convey delicately the rich legacy which we all have inherited in music and songs. My mind goes to my state of Himachal Pradesh because so far we do not have a single TV center over there, and we are actually requesting the Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting to let us have a TV mother station at the state headquarters and also a relay center either at Kasoli or at some other suitable place in Himachal Pradesh. According to the latest figures available, would say that it is justifiable. We can have it there because the lower belt could also benefit by this TV station that could be put up at an altitude such as our government has already mentioned to you.